In the 2017-18 AICTE report, they recognized that capacity utilization for technical education is below 50%. What factors do you think contributed to the staggering demand-supply gap?
See, the basic problem in engineering education uh, going haywire started way back when government started allowing private engineering colleges. Because no sooner was that allowed, a lot of private engineering colleges have mushroomed all over the place, and without any rhyme or reason, without any planning, without any empirical, feasibility. Okay, and as to what was the real demand and what is the supply, and most of these were owned by political bigwigs, so nobody could stop them. So they had swanky buildings. Okay, they were charging a big fee for admission. Basically, these institutions were selling aspirations to middle class boys and girls. Because middle class boys and girls, rightly or wrongly, not just them, their parents also believed that whosoever has taken mathematics in high school should become an engineer. Okay, so there was a mad rush and mad craze about going for engineering education, and it was that aspiration which was being sold. So people ran after it. They spent a lot of money. They took admissions, only to realize that where are the jobs? Because after investing so much, when they pass out, they find that there are no worthwhile jobs. And actually, on supply side, there are so many grads being churned out that industry never had that kind of appetite. So then the job itself got underrated. Then in the place where diploma holders and ITIs were taken, graduate engineers started getting filled. Just because you are able to get a BE, Tech guy, okay. And obviously the industry would pay the same salary as they were paying before. So basically the engineering qualification itself got devalued. And then the people who joined those started complaining that, look, we are getting as low as 8,000 rupees package or 12,000 rupees a month salary, which is, anybody gets much more than that without doing engineering also, right? So we started with that kind of a problem. The basic issue is that government should have intervened at some point in time. With so much of planning and foresight, there should have been something to check this phenomena. Okay. Instead of allowing it to grow on its own, just with an excuse that market wants it, so let them do it. Market would want anything. You have to have control on the market. Some control on the market. Okay. Market should not drive our lives. We should drive the market. This should be the other way. Right? So, yes, that is something which was missed out for whatever reasons. And the result is here to see that you have a lot of graduates moving around and there are hardly any jobs. So the whole thing is that people sometimes did engineering because they wanted to print B on their wedding card. Started from there. So, and as far as quality of education is concerned, nobody was serious about it to start with. Neither the institutions nor the people who joined them for education, nor their parents. They somehow wanted a degree, which they got. Institutions wanted boys to come and take admission, so they were happy as long as that was happening. And the AICTE report, which came, of course, as late as in 1819 or so. So yes, that realization came that now the engineering colleges are running half dry. But I think it is too little, too late as a realization. It should have happened 20, 30 years back when the phenomena started. And when we saw this insane growth of number of colleges everywhere. Right? At that point, somebody should have controlled it and put things in proper perspective and proper place. But then the official stand was that because these are unaided colleges, these are not running on government money, so why should government even bother about it? Right? But who is the sufferer in the end? The sufferer is middle class boys and girls. who have joined those things and now they are finding that they are in lurch.